Today I'm building my wife her dream office. This is the starting point. We're going with the warm and cozy vibes. We have the rug on the floor. We have the collage of pictures. We have the mirrors. We have all this stuff, and we have color drenched this room with a nice dark green to give it that warm and cozy vibe. And we're going with the yellow, more not so white light. The kicker is Allie ordered the desk. I have not seen it. I have not measured it. I have not any of the features. She ordered it. I'm gonna install it. I asked her the measurements, she didn't even know them. So I'm nervous, this thing could be 8 feet long and not even fit. It came in 2 different boxes. I'm gonna go in the garage, pick those things up. Hopefully I can carry them on my own and bring them in here. Don't mind the mess, these are all the things that are gonna be going in the room. I stationed it all. Oh boy. All right. Oh my word! All right, we're gonna be rolling this thing all the way into the room. I really hope that's reasonable. We'll worry about that one next. All right, here we go. As I was just carrying this desk in, my son goes, uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh is right. I have no idea the measurements, the size, the features, the color. Hopefully you did good. Picked a good color. I think you did good, Allie. I think it came pre-assembled. Oh, wow. That's only one leg and it weighs that much. Jeepers. Oh. Still a lot better, considering I know it's not too thick, because you could have ordered a 4-foot thick desk, which you didn't. That's nice. Very reasonable. Standing desk goes up and down and has a nice cool look to it. Leg number one unpacked. Shout out to whoever made this desk because I don't have to assemble nothing. First box is unpacked. A lot of foam, a lot of cardboard. Seems like my wife got a desk, my son's got a toy. What did I get? Okay, well, this one was just as heavy as the other one. Install these legs. We're gonna install it, only 2 screws. 2 screws on the other side, and then I'm gonna raise the legs after hooking it all together. Then I'll have access to the other 4 screws per side. So there you go. Should have just got my drill. It's fine. It'll be quick. So they even have holes that they pre-drilled in here, so it makes it real easy for me for connecting purposes. So perfect there. It's a nice extension to get this to the other side. Then we have this going into this nice little wire trough here, off to the other side. All of this gets plugged into a connector right here. This into a wall, and then put the legs up, and then put the other screws in. And then your desk is built. Yeah, it's super simple. Okay, plugged it all in. Take this off. What's up, buddy? You're gonna help Dad? We're putting the screws in, dude. We're putting the screws in. See that? See? I've been looking for this screw for the past 5 minutes. I was frustrated, I couldn't figure it out. Dude, it was magneted to the bottom of my mic. I was literally looking everywhere. I was like, I counted. I had them all in my hand. I put them right here. The last screw before it's all done. 3 drawers in the front, right? Boom, 1, 2, 3. But look, they got the slow close. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna move all those cabinets to the back wall. This is gonna be in front of the window so she can look outside the window, so it's not like she's looking at like a brick wall the whole time. And then we're gonna have the ultra, I have it all in the head. All in the head, baby, let's go. Kind of the basic layout. We're gonna go desk, we're gonna put a nice big lamp in the corner here. We're gonna have a plant in that corner here. We're gonna set up her desk setup. She's not gonna have a computer. She's gonna be using her laptop plugged into the side HDMI for a nice ultra wide. So she's gonna have a full immersive experience there. I think it's this point I'm kind of bringing some more stuff in and piecing it all together. I know we're making Allie a really cozy spot to work right now, but she's always on the go as well. So Samsung got her something really cool to not only help her with work, but for funsies as well, and deal with this rascal too. I've been using the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and it's quickly become one of my favorite devices to use. Big screen entertainment right in your hands. With its vibrant 10.9-inch display, Galaxy Tab S10 Lite makes streaming, reading, and scrolling easy. You can enjoy up to 16 hours battery life, perfect for entertainment on the go. And when it's time to recharge, super fast charging gets you back to full power in about 2 hours. The included S Pen is mighty. Whether you're drawing, jotting notes, or editing documents, the responsive design makes it feel natural and precise. Creativity and productivity come together seamlessly. With up to 256 gigs of storage, you can keep your apps, photos, videos close at hand. If you need more, you can extend with a micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. I use my Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite for reading, scrolling, and of course, tutorials. This mustache is not easy to tame, so I need all the help I can get. Galaxy Tab S10 Lite available right now at Walmart and Walmart.com to see their everyday low prices. Thank you, Samsung, for supporting the channel. Lamp. Every cozy room needs a plant. Allie's got a printer for all her return labels that she has to print. A little cozy corner. We can do a little off-centered. A little reading nook. A Bluetooth record player. I know it kind of defeats the purpose because it's kind of like old school, but you're connecting it to a Bluetooth speaker, but for the vibes, you know? Got all the records up here so she can pick which one she wants to listen to and just vibe out to and put it in the record player. A nice, beautiful mouse pad here. Nice little, like, almost like wool. I think it brings out the vibes. Now, for the ultra wide from Pixio. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, dang. Ooh. And before you guys give me all the stuff in the comments for giving her a dining room table chair, she loves this chair for some reason and she prefers to use it. So don't talk to me, talk to Allie in the comments. See the vision. So I'm also wiring these two wires together because one goes to the keyboard and one goes to the HDMI, and then I have the little dongle for the mouse also already plugged in. So all she's gonna have to do is open this up, click the power button, shut the actual lid because I have it set up to actually do nothing when you shut the lid, and then it'll just project right to the screen, and then this will be running her computer. Beautiful. Keyboard and mouse, wireless mouse, all the vibes, printer. Looks pretty nice. Do you like it, baby?
I love it.
Yeah?
So much. It's
So much.
I love it so much. It's perfect. Now I have to work.
Okay. Bye.
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.